Well, howdy y'all, welcome back. We're about ready to rip the chassis off of this body. Took a little longer for me to get back than I expected. The 2024 salute out here is they love their guns. They like playing with them. 6 cannons, 4 times, along with 24 gun salute with 24 bullets. They're all blanks. I don't think they use lead. They're too cheap. So to remove this body, we're basically going to use 6 screws. All the screws are the same. Oh, what's this? Do we have a new place? Okay, we've got to remove the bumper. Our problem child. It's not coming off. I'm not very familiar with this D series. I haven't disassembled very many of the chassis. So some kind of bull bar. And there's 2 screws down in here. I'm going to right here. You can see. I don't know. I'm not very good at this camera stuff. Sorry, guys. That simple. Now, let's see what receiver we have here. This receiver, which on paper goes this way, we're looking at it this way, right here. We could turn it so you can all see it. It's not a natural rest that way, guys. Sorry. I don't want to yank on the wire. Looks like we got a good schematic. That's the new receiver. That new receiver is going to take this kit right here. The WPL LED kit plugs right into this guy right here. So, left turn signal, right headlight, brake, reverse. So we can move the headlight to the front, reverse lights to the back with brake lights. We'll have right indicator, left indicator in the back. And I think I'm going to go with indicators. I don't know. We'll see. If there's 2 yellows, we'll go front and side. Otherwise, we'll do side only. Leave the front for white. Break them down into yellow, I think. No, that wouldn't look good. Anyway, I'm going to pull that off and we will be back. Sorry about that delay. The boys are done playing with their guns. We're going to go back. Let's get this guy open. I bought this when they were $3. Had them thrown into a couple of them thrown into the order, so I got one for a couple of kits. Can make them pretty cheap. So let's see what we got here. We got red and black. Oops. White and red. This has got to be indicator. So we have 2 indicators. No, three. Three lights on the indicator. Headlight, battery. So, see if we're going to make it here. That one makes it. That one makes it. Two up front, one in the rear. Two up front, one in the rear. Okay, guys. I'm going to pause here, and we're going to work on body rail.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.